So there has been some significant change 3.0, which is the latest model of Kling, and it came like motion accuracy. So as you can see, this video, for instance, it had more control of the motion, and there are many videos just like this on the platform. You can take a look at this video, for instance, and this. You can also take a look at this. So these are some of the amazing features that you get access to when you have Kling 3.0. And so, without wasting my time, let's try it on. So you just head over to this part and then click on the Kling section. So when you reach here, you can basically start doing what you want to do. So for instance, you like to create a video from scratch, right? We have the ability to create video from scratch, edit a video, which is you can upload a video and then edit it. You can also add motion control to your videos. Like today, let's start from editing videos, or let's start from creating videos. So let's describe a simple video I want to create. Maybe want to create someone working on space, on the moon in space, right? So a video of a scientist working in space on the moon, right? So we're going to use the Kling 3.0. I think we have the ability to ex- expand the session that we can do. It's up to 10 seconds, but let's just try for 5 seconds for now at 16.9 ratio, which is like the YouTube thumbnail dimension style, which is like this dimension, and also at 720p. So let's just try. Let me try to. So since I don't have a subscription currently, but anyways, I'll take us through how we are able to do. So for instance, this video I generated is a sample of how I use Kling 3.2. Very good, and also this video is made to these two. So this one prompt multiple generations to be done. Well, if you want to have like a brief overview of what you can use Kling for, it could run through many aspects, like maybe you want to edit a video for your brand ad or anything else. When you start from creating the video, you could create a video, but let's say maybe the video is not that good to the extent that you want it, and then you can then upload that created video onto this part, and then you edit it. You could either add images over here and then you edit it. So editing is another thing, and this goes on because they've separated each of the tasks into separate parts. You have the task for creating video, another for editing video, and another for motion control. So with the motion control part, once you are done with editing, you just upload the main video, and then maybe you could get a piece of the type of motion control that I want, and then you upload it over, and then you just click, and then it's done for you in like a couple of seconds. So you can take a look at some of the things that people have done with motion control. When you go to the landing page, You could see all this is motion control, where we have someone holding something, and then this table, and also you also have this. So these are all motion control fused into the video. You also have this. And this one makes Kling more unique to the other platform that we have here. You can use Kling to create more realistic um, videos. Take, take a look at this, for instance. You have Kling working 247 to give you this type of art creative that took maybe 3 teams to go about. So the, this is a very short one for what you can do with Kling, and it's not only limited to that. You can do more. And I like to conclude here. So if you really want to use Kling, you should be looking at stuff like influencer marketing, which is when to market your product. You can use AI characters and then attach a prompt to Kling to give you a very good ad. You can also use it to edit your videos. You can also use it to add motion control to your videos. That's pretty much the simple thing about Kling 3.0. Um, that's it for